Alright, so this will be a live SBS video where I will explain how I pick my swings, I will explain how I take my trades, I will explain everything for you guys so you are not ever confused again when trading this setup. Right, first thing we want to do, maybe on a 5-minute chart, let's say, mark out our swings. The way we do this is we find the swing points from a swing high to a swing low. So basically we're finding a range here. Let me just make this more visible for you guys. So we're basically trying to find a range, right, from where we broke down. So that consists of a swing low to a swing high, and then we made a lower low, as we can see here. So that's a range. Now how do I figure out what to trade? Well, we can see always the break of the range is a 1. So if you can get a simple SBS from that, that's great. So let's just track this. All right, so we have 1, we have 2, right? We got 3, and then let's see. All right, so we just took it. That's gonna be 4. Right, and then obviously we're waiting for a 5, which could already be in place, but that's gonna be another thing to look at. All right, so we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then obviously we want to look at the 5. So let's go into the lower time frame. All right, so let's see. We're just gonna start tracking the swings here. Obviously we are bearish biased. We wanna look for this to be 6. And we made this, right, small SBS here, where this is going to be 1. This out here would be 2. Sorry, this will be 3. It's gonna be 2. Alright, so we're waiting for that now. Meanwhile we do that, we can go into maybe a lower time frame and look for another setup, or just wait. What I'm also noticing is that we're making go back into a 5-minute chart. We broke this swing, right, but we failed to make another high. Probably gonna be bearish from there. So not looking to make another high at least. Let's just keep tracking, right? We did have this, which and that's invalidated. Alright, so it's all lining up for sure. So we're just gonna wait for an entry. Let's go to a 15-second chart. Alright, so currently we have this swing low to swing high broken, right? And this is our 4 and 5, and we should have a 6 headed down into here. Once we take out that could be a push higher that we will be looking for. Just gonna mute while I watch this play out, and I'll get back to you guys once we have touched my 2 line up here. Alright, so now what we're seeing now is probably this lower time frame. SBS playing out, right? 1, 2, 3, and then we got 4, 5. So if we close below that, that's an easy trade down into taking that low down here. and then from that we might see a bullish run up down, or from down below here. Let's just watch so far, see where we close. All right, that's a sell. Stop gonna be here, TP is gonna be down here. And let's let this play out. At this point, when it's that close to our entry, I like to trail my stop down just to make sure this doesn't turn into a loser. So that means having a break-even stop, accepting that if it comes back, I'd rather take a break-even than this potentially going against me, since I'm already getting proven right in this trade. So I don't want to get out with a loss here. But obviously, as you can see, so far so good. So if we just take this one and not the bigger one I was talking about, that's TP. Let's go, guys. So let's just go, right? Let me remove the these. This would be 1, right? So we have a 1 and 2, right? This is 2. Boom. This is 3, right? 1, 2, 3. This will be our target, right? 6. And then we come up and tap it. That's gonna be 4. Double top is also a 4. We don't have to sweep it here. So that's a 4, and then we have 5. As soon as we touch this or close below it, I'm gonna inside with a stop at the swing high here. That's a really nice risk reward. And yeah, then just let the trade play out. It's as simple as that. So just framing an SBS here on a 30-second chart doesn't have to be harder than that, guys. Doesn't have to be harder than that.